So we're going to be talking about solid revolution. What your paper says at the top. Solid revolution, right at the top says many objects that we use in our daily life are examples of solid rotation. Solid revolution is a solid figure obtained by rotating a plane curve around some straight line. And then I went to the store and realized that this would be $1.50. It's already done for me. Alright, so your first example is a ball. At first I had cylinder written down, and then I got this, and so I changed your worksheet to say ball. And so we're going to work through one example together, and I have a bunch of other objects here that you guys can come up and see if you need to feel it and stuff. And so we're going to work through the first one so you kind of understand where you're going to be going for the beginning of the period. So we have a ball. And a ball is created by rotating a certain curve around a straight line. Alright? So does anybody know what the curve might look like? We'll go ahead and jog around.
It's going to look like a half circle on top of the x-axis, and then you're going to have one on the bottom.
Right. So
a half circle.
if we had that line, right?
Yeah.
Just like what this is. And if this is our straight line right here, you can make it the y-axis to make it really easy. Makes formulas a lot easier, and you'll see it near the end. So if you made the straight line that we rotated around the y-axis,
wait, the y or the x?
or x-axis, sorry. Y equals 0.
Alright.
X-axis, that's not bad. Good call. And you rotate it around, and it creates the ball. Right? So your first question, I believe, is finding a planar curve. So you can draw, for your first part, A is just to use the graph, and you can just draw something along lines of this. B, find out in what way the curve is rotated, and you can say it around the x-axis or around the line y equals 0. And I would actually advise you to just use that for all of them because, again, later on you'll see how if we use a different line it can change the shape. Alright. So I want to work through this worksheet right now. And like I said, I have a couple examples up here, and I'm going to move it around. You guys can work together with a couple people. But we want to try and figure out how we can create objects. I have a football, I have a couple of chess pieces, I have a pipe, I have a light bulb, and then we just did the ball already. So you guys can go ahead and work with someone else if you want to. If you guys want to come up here and grab one of the pieces and see it.
I mean, who's trying to work with Justin?
Alright.
You're trying to work with me.
Alright, so we're going to go ahead and move on. I mean, you guys, we're going to have someone come and do the light bulb. So.
Alright.
Alright, can I get one person maybe to come up and just draw what you had for each piece?
There you go, bro.
So,
I'm kind of
come to the football.
Bring that chess piece up there. Do football. Nah, do football.
You guys can also come. Bring your paper and just grab one. We need one more person.
Why would you do that to yourself?
Okay, you want to do the chess piece?
Nah.
So what do we get for a cross section of this football?
Circle.
Draw like this. Circle. Light bulb.
Circle. I see what we're
Chess
doing here.
piece.
We're getting circles. We're getting circles.
And pipe. Circle. Alright. So as you notice, each cross section is a circle. So what we're going to do next is we're going to try and solve for a formula that would give you the volume of each of these shapes. Alright? So obviously, like the chess piece, this isn't a real function. This is just a real life example of what we could have for a solid revolution. But we're going to try and solve for the formula to find the volume of a solid revolution. Alright? So what I'm going to have you guys do, again, you can work alone or in groups. I have 5 hints in order to get to the formula. You're each going to start with the first hint. And you guys need to work for at least 5 minutes with that. If you can't figure the formula out for that, come up and grab the second hint. Work for a little bit. If you can't get it, come back for the third. Work for a little bit. If you can't get it, come back for the fourth hint. And the fifth hint's the actual formulas. You guys can't just come. That's why you need a little bit of time.